regret this whole entire thing. You will actually regret this whole entire thing. No. Welcome back. Today I'm scrambling my whole entire collection, of Rubik's Cubes, except for this one. The stickers are peeled. No, those ones. I have a lot of Rubik's Cubes, so these are good. I'm not gonna regret this, I promise. Okay, scrambling the first one. It's just a 3x3. I know how to solve a 3x3, okay? I know how to solve a 3x3. I'm never gonna regret this. 2x2. I know how to solve a 3x3, so I might know how to solve a 2x2. I never solved a 2x2 before. Okay, the windmill cube, just a 3x3 modification. So it should be like a 3x3 but easier. But it's harder to turn because I don't know where the alignments are. Oh my, is this, how, okay, done. Now for this. Oh, it's been so long I haven't looped this cube. I think I got this when I was like 6 or 7. 6, 7. Bless me. Gosh. Okay, yeah. I am trying to, scramble this thing, but it's not letting me. Okay, good. I have to go. This is my worst. No, this is not my worst turning cube. Wait, I'm gonna come back. Wait, I'm gonna get the rest. I'm gonna get more of my collection. There's probably gonna... Oh, and I have a square one, but I lost a piece, so I'm not scrambling that. I'm not gonna regret this. I am not gonna regret this. Yeah. Actually, I'm not gonna regret this, okay? Now time for this cube. It's very hard. It's from Rubik's and I think Marvel. Yeah, Marvel and Rubik's made a Rubik's cube good. No. This is my worst turn cube. You know it. Yeah. Can't even turn. This is gonna be a pain for us to solve. Now, time for the final 4 Rubik's cubes. Oh, I can't carry it. I'm scared it's gonna break. Because it is probably fragile. Oh my goodness. No, that's not all. I also have 11 by 11. Okay. Scrambling the 4x4. Done. Oh, no. No way. Oh, 5x5. That's easy. Okay. No. I regret this already. I regret this. I regret this already. Like, scrambling 9x9. That's not. I do not like that sound. Huh. How do I solve this? I don't freaking know. Yo, I regret this already. I regret this. I already regret this. Why? Why do I have to do this? That's all my years of work. Just scrambling it. Oh man. This is actually hard to scramble. I mean, hard to solve. Bro. This is actually my whole entire life ruined. I regret this. Like, I literally regret this. Like, I regret this. I regret this. Okay. I regret. Why? I freaking regret this. Why did I do this to myself? Why did I do this to myself? No. I just want. This is all my Rubik's Cube scrambled. Like all of this. Bye.